Hello, today we're gonna perform a quick unboxing of TOZO Crystal Pods. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside and how do these earbuds look like. So let's get right into it. Let's open the box, let's take it out. Here we go. So we can find, of course, the user manual, which will be quite useful to get to know how the device works. How to, for instance, put it in the pairing mode and so on. We have this card of TOZO, so we can see the link for the website where they apparently have 24/7 live chat support and the customer email as well. We also have a quick guide, so we can find some instructions here as well, for instance how to power it on and off, as well as the Bluetooth pairing and wearing. And there we go, we have the USB cable. This is USB-C into USB-A. Of course, there is no power adapter or anything like that, so you will need to use, for instance, the same as you use for your phone, if it's compatible, of course. But at the same time, I believe you should be able to use the same cable for charging your phone as well. We have some additional stuff here. So we have different sizes of earbud tips, which is cool, of course, that we can still change them if there is a need, so that we don't drop the earbuds while doing something, of course. And of course, earbuds themselves. Let's unpack them. All right. There we go. The case is actually transparent. Please charge the case before using it to ensure it's activated. Okay. So as you can see, the case is actually transparent, which is pretty cool. The case is looking quite nice, not gonna lie. The transparent case, the part is a little bit bigger on the front than at the back. And of course, this can be, I believe, ripped out. But let's open the case. And let's take out these earbuds. Let's move this to the side for a sec. And here we have our earbuds. They are, of course, now they are turned on because I have removed them from the case. And as you can see, this front panel over here, this element is transparent, which is quite cool. At the back, they look like this. So this looks like something like a carbon fiber-ish. I'm pretty sure it's actually something else, or it is like I don't know, something that looks at least similar to that, but I'm pretty sure it's not that. I might be completely wrong. And over here we have these panels. So here we have this touch panel on both earbuds actually. So they are used to send commands to do something with the earbuds, for instance, to stop music and so on and so forth. So it's pretty cool. They look quite nice, I would say. And that is pretty much it. So as you can see, let's see how to place them back on. There we go. So they look quite nice, like I said. Now what is left for me is to try them out. And that is pretty much it. So this is the unboxing. As you can see, we have, of course, our earbuds in the case. We have the USB cable. We also have some papers with the quick guide and with the user manual. We have some tips that we can replace. And that is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.